Integers in ascending order. When you're faced with a task like the one in this example, where we are to arrange the following integers in ascending order, take a look at the numbers we have here. You see that we have a mixture of the different types of integers. We have our negative integers like in -10, -6, -8, -12, and -4. We have our neutral integer in 0, and we have our positive integer in 2, 9, 5, and 6. How do we arrange this in ascending order? Remember that the word ascending means to start from the smallest one to the largest one. Let's see how it's done. Solution. A simple trick will be to start with your negative integers. Now let us look at what happens when you draw a number line. In your number line, we often tell you that start with 0 in the middle, and to the right of 0 we have the numbers that are in positive integers, that is 1, 2, 3. Remember, they always have to be in regular interval, so that is 4, 5, and so on. And then to the left we have numbers like your -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Looking at this, the one with the smallest value here is -5, then -4 for all our negative integers. Up to the neutral, then we have our positive integers. This is the same trend we have to follow when we are trying to arrange this. One simple trick you can do to help you do this well without error is to separate them by first organizing your negative integers, then your positive integers. And then when you are to write them, you write them in ascending order from negative to neutral and then positive. Let's try that. So for A, our negative integers are -10, -6, -8, -12, and -4. Of these numbers that we have ticked, which of them has the smallest value? That will be the number -12. So we go by writing that first, -12. The next number in value is the number -10. Followed by, after -10, we have the number -8. Then we have -6. And then finally we have -4. Now that we have organized our negative integers, the next number would be the neutral integer, which would be 0. And after 0, we can now begin to write our positive integers in increasing order. So the positive integer that will come first of what we have left. Remember, what we have here is what? 2, 9, 5, and 6. Which comes first? 2. Followed by, we have what? After 2, we have 5 and 6 and then 9. So that is, the next number is 5. Then we have 6. And then we end it with 9. That tells us that of all these numbers we have written here, the one with the smallest value is -12, and the one with the biggest value is +9. Let us try that as we arrange the B in ascending order. So quickly, let us identify the smallest number here. Remember, start with your negative integers. We have -14, -30, -15, and -25. Of these numbers here, the one with the smallest value is -30. Followed by -25. And then we have -15, -14. Now we write down our neutral integer, 0. Then we have 1, followed by, we have 20, 18, 9, and 12. The next number is 9. And then we have 12. And then 18. And finally 20. That means our biggest number in this set of number is 20. And then our smallest number is minus 30. This is how we arrange mixed integers in ascending order. Thank you.